So by now, most of you probably know that you can switch your camera from one webcam to another by either clicking inside the little video button and switching, or by using the shortcut Alt-N. You can switch between a document camera and one or more webcams. But there are some other settings that you might not know about to make the video work a little bit better for your viewers on the other end, and I'm going to show you those in this video. If the video that you're seeing on your smartboard or your display in your classroom is backwards, there's a quick setting that you can use to fix that. So if you click the little button inside the stop video icon, and then visit video settings, there's a setting called mirror my video, and for some reason, for some people it's on by default. If you uncheck that box, now the view that you see in the classroom up on your smartboard will be facing the right direction so your students can actually read it. For the viewers at home, it's never going to be backwards. It always faces the correct direction. This is just a setting for your students who are in the classroom and just for your own usability, so you can actually read what you're displaying. Another setting that is also related to document cameras or instances where you want your students to be able to read something that you may be holding up to the screen is the Enable HD option. And you'll see on the screen here, if I toggle between HD mode and non-HD mode, the difference for something like a page in a book or a worksheet that you're showing on the document camera, it's pretty dramatic. So right now I have HD disabled. If I click this option, you can see it refocus and it gets quite a bit clearer. So for the students who might be following along at home, and even for your students in the classroom who are seeing the book or magazine or map or worksheet up on the smartboard, enabling HD, if you're showing something under your document camera, the difference can be pretty dramatic. Last but not least, if you have a document camera that doesn't have a built-in rotation button, you can do this in your video settings. Hidden away up here, you have a rotate 90 degrees button, and if you press it twice, you can get your document camera flipped around. So if you have a document camera that isn't oriented properly for the thing you're putting underneath it, you can do that in software right inside Zoom. To summarize, this video covered enabling HD for things like document cameras, unchecking the mirror my video box if your display is backwards for the screen in the room, and using the rotate 90 degrees button to flip the view on something like a document camera. That's all for now. Have a good night. Happy Zooming.